We call this one the approval that slows everything down. An owner hired us as their management company, but wanted to stay closely involved. They asked us to approve every maintenance item, every vendor, every repair cost. Maintenance requests start to begin to stack up, waiting for approvals. Tenants inevitably get frustrated. Small issues turn into big ones. And now you start to factor in concessions, right? That's such a lost consideration in most of these scenarios. One repair waited 3 days for an owner response, and then it became a much larger expense. A seasoned property management company is going to set clear approval thresholds. This is huge. At Red Door, owners are going to know what decisions are automatic, what decisions are going to require approval, what decisions require discussion. That structure allows the property to operate smoothly without removing the owner's complete control. The bonehead here isn't wanting involvement. It's failing to define the boundaries from day one. Micromanagement doesn't protect an investment. The proper process does.
Owners who want to stay involved during the application process. Again, I get it. You want to know who's going to live in your house, right? I mean, it's a big investment, but that's why you hire us as your property managers. They drag their heels on making decisions, or maybe go over the top asking for documentation, and 2, 3, 4 days have expired, sometimes 5 days, 6 days, and then guess what? The applicant has moved on. They've moved on to another house. It takes, I think, 16 leads to generate one application. And our approval process is about a 50% approval process. So we need 32 leads to generate one approved applicant. You've just increased your vacancy from what would normally be with us 15, 20, 30 days to maybe it's now 60 or 90 days. That's going to cost you thousands of dollars.
The bonehead of the property management company not setting the right expectations from day one, but also on the owner. And this is going to relate right back to the question of the week, not asking the right questions to define those responsibilities, or being able to generate an articulated answer out of the property management company of why it's important to have that maintenance threshold and how it's going to affect my bottom line, my cash flow. I'm working with a company that's going to be able to articulate that and answer it and respond about how it's going to affect you personally.